If you're new in Python, you should definitively learn this optimization trick. Let's say we have a user input here, asking for the user's age. Now, typically, you may want to implement some logic like this, where we say, if user input, then age is equal to user input. Else, age is equal to NA. Then let's print age down here and we can run this. So, I type my age and it works. And if I don't provide an age, then we get NA. So this works great, but check this out. I can simply erase this entire if block and say, age is equal to user input or the string NA. That's it, we've condensed that entire if block logic into one line. So if the user does provide an age, the user input variable is a truthy value, so it stops there and assigns it to age. But if the user does not provide an age, the user input variable is false, so instead, it assigns age to this non-empty string, which is a truthy value. So again, I can provide my age and it works. And I can also provide nothing, and we get NA.
If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Python insights, and share your thoughts in the comments.